Now we are going to start case study question number 14, and this case study question is based on physics. Okay, so electricity chapter, and in household electric circuits, the main supply is delivered to our home using 3 core cables as shown here in the figure. Okay, the cable consists of 3 wires: live wire, neutral wire, and the earth wire. The live wire is at the potential difference of 220 volt for the domestic supply, and the potential difference between live and the neutral wire is 220 volt. The live wire is connected to electric meter through a fuse or a circuit breaker of higher rating. The neutral wire is connected directly to the electric meter. So based on this, some questions have been framed. So let us start the question. First question. What is the potential difference between live and neutral wire? This is a direct question based on context.
220 volts.
Right, very good. 220 volt. The potential difference between live and neutral wire is 220 volts. Okay. Now switches are connected in household circuits with which wire? Earth wire, neutral wire, live wire, or none of this?
Sir, earth wire.
No. Switches, see,
Sir, none of this.
through switches only you will operate other electronic devices है ना, or electrical devices. For example, fan. अगर switch on की है तो fan start हो रहा है. That means which wire is connected to that one?
Wire.
अरे which type of wire?
Live
Live
wire.
wire.
Live wire, right? Because switches are connected in the live wire, and when the switch is in the off position, no point of connected electrical appliance will be at higher potential, that is 220 volt. अगर on करेंगे तब वो power उसमें supply होगा, right? So now we will move toward the third question. What is usual current rating of the fuse wire in the line if electric iron, geysers, room heater, etc. are in use? 15 एम्पियर, 5 एम्पियर, 10 एम्पियर, 25 एम्पियर. घर में देखे होंगे हम लोग सॉकेट भी लगाते हैं, तो ये सब के लिए कौन सा सॉकेट लगाते हैं? 5 एम्पियर वाला सॉकेट लगाते हैं, 15 एम्पियर वाला?
So 15.
15 एम्पियर वाला. सो यहाँ पर भी यही वाला आंसर है. A fuse of rating 15 ampere is usually used for appliance, electric iron, geysers, and room heaters, etc. Now we'll move toward the next question. For all electrical appliances, which property of circuit is recommended? Earthing, neutralizing, connecting with fuse, none of this.
Connecting with fuse. Earthing.
Right. Why earthing? See, actually, if we are not connecting to the earth, the earthing of any electrical appliances is done. Why it has been done? To protect the user from any accidental electrical shock due to the leakage of current. और वो क्या होगा, वो जो लीकेज जो हो रहा है वो क्या होगा, वो सीधा अर्थ पे चला जाएगा, राइट? इफ वहाँ पे पास हो जाएगा. अगर प्रॉपर अर्थिंग नहीं होगा तो जो लीकेज ऑफ करंट रहता है उससे हम लोग को शॉक लगेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? एनी डाउट?
Yes, sir.
देखना कभी घर में भी हम लोग तुम इफ यू आल्सो हैव नोटिस दैट कहीं कहीं शॉक आता है छूने से, तो वो प्रॉपर अर्थिंग नहीं होने की वजह से आता है. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the last question, already answer it is given. Home circuit is connected in parallel because the second option, in parallel circuit, if one device is damaged, then it does not affect other devices. ये क्वेश्चन सीरीज से रिलेटेड भी है. व्हाई वी आर नॉट यूजिंग सीरीज सर्किट इन आवर डोमेस्टिक पर्पस और डोमेस्टिक सर्किट्स? व्हाई? क्योंकि सीरीज में क्या होता है, जैसे अभी मैं एक सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस में बना रहा हूँ. अगर मान लो तीन, हर एक इलेक्ट्रिकल या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लाइंसेस में उसका एक रेजिस्टेंस होता है. अगर मान लो ये वाला ब्रेक हो गया, खराब हो गया, तो जो करंट जो फ्लो हो रहा था अभी ये फ्लो होना बंद हो जाएगा उस सर्किट में. लेकिन पैरेलल के साथ में ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, इन पैरेलल सर्किट इफ एनी वन डिवाइस इज डैमेज, देन it does not affect any other device, वो simultaneously चलता रहेगा. Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Right. So this is the last question of this case study question. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you.